Oh.
Well, I don't support piracy. I swear everything in this bag is real. You don't know which bag I'm talking about when I say this one, because there's 3.
Yes.
Here, beautiful Yongchuo, China. Not much happens. But you can get a pretty good burrito.
Yeah. Burritos are good.
You see the mountains in the back? At the end of the street?
Oh. Can you zoom? How do you zoom?
Right here, here.
Right there?
Yeah.
I can't see what I'm zooming to. There's some mountains. Woohoo! I got me some mountains. I missed my call and I should be a filmmaker.
Yeah.
The scissors.
It's one way to do it.
Yes. How do you feel about that?
Well, it's an ancient Chinese tradition to use scissors to cut ducks up.
Here comes our restaurant.
So we should go film that. Or at least get a picture of that sign that says Chinese paper cuts.
Oh, yeah.
Spider-Man climbing.
Yep.
They've been grooming that dog since they...
Yes, they have. Okay.
Did you get that mountain?
There it is. Got it. And that mountain. It's really big.
And the mountain of love I got for you.
Aww.
And fake sunglasses. Mountains of fake sunglasses.
Smile.
Say hi, Nadine.
Oh, let's see. Where is she? Hi, Nadine. Look, hold on. There it is. Powerful baby. Okay.